Hi, welcome back. In this session for Excel, we're going to see how to skip blanks in the Excel. Okay, let's see with some exercise. If you would like to learn more things, please subscribe my channel, Rise Your Skills. And let's play with the data without further wasting the time. So for this, you have a two steps. Step one, you have to use function key plus F5. And second one is control plus minus keys. Okay, so let's try to check this without further wasting the time. So if you come here, here goes the data looks like this. It is so unorganized, right? Your unit of measurement is all in small case when it comes to heading, remaining all in bold case. If you look at this, data looks like this. Okay. So what you have to do is first have a selection of the data first. Okay. Need not. So this is the data. Okay. Once you have the selection, what you have to do is function F5 from your keyboard. Okay, here click on special, just click on blank. What this task is going to do is it is going to select all your blanks. This is the place H column, J column, K column, M, and all these are the blank columns. Okay, so how do I remove it? Then the second step is control minus, just click, select the shift cells left. This is fine in this case. Okay, let's click on OK. So now all blanks gone. Okay, so now let's correct it. Let's give the correct format. So page run. So if you click this, it will auto adjust, right? Okay, so this you can have a selection like this. Okay, let's give the table format and make it this one, and let's try to change the color, font if you want it. Let me make it like this. So this is so organized, right? Okay, so you can able to give it right like this. Let me go back what I have done. So previously it is like this. So worse. How do you do that? One more time and let me show you. Okay, make a selection. I'll show you the step. You can able to see this function F5. F5 special blanks. Okay, again second step control minus. Okay, make a selection, give the table format, give the bold, give the font color, give the heading like this. Okay, this is how you can able to play with the system. Okay, so thanks for joining this session. I think you can able to give it a try. Have a great day.